What is a Cape Cod house? Dear friends, a Cape Cod house features a style of architecture originating from Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Practical and with little ornamentation, these simple structures have many characteristics. A steep roof to keep snow from piling up. A large, central chimney and low ceilings to keep the house warm. Shingle siding and shutters to protect the home from harsh weather. Puritan settlers first built these homes in the 17th century, adapting the half-timber, hall and parlor homes of England to the bitter winters of New England. Cape Cod architecture has survived for centuries, spreading throughout the U.S. to become a timeless American style. Though the style has evolved, many elements of modernized Cape Cod homes echo the original structures of the settlers. These Cape Cod homes have remained well-liked for their simplicity, charm, and ode to American roots. What are Cape Cod's house characteristics? Exterior look. House front door. The front door is centered for a full cape and off to the side for a half or three-quarter cape. Modern homes usually include molding around the door that is more detailed. House windows. The windows on a Cape Cod home are often multi-paned and shuttered. The shutters originally served as a way to protect the home against foul weather. Today shutters are more of a design element. Cape Cod house roof. A Cape Cod roof is high-pitched, steep, to keep snow from accumulating on top of the house. The roof is also side-gabled, meaning it forms a triangle shape on the sides of the building. House dormers. A common feature of revival homes, dormers add more space in the attic, making the upper level used as a living space. House chimney. The chimney is a prominent feature of the traditional Cape Cod style. Large and in the center of the house, the chimney kept settlers warm during harsh winters. In modern homes, the chimney is smaller and on the side of the house, especially in warmer climates where it serves as an element of design rather than function. House shingles. Shingles helped protect Cape Cod homes from inclement weather. The original color faded over time from exposure to salty air, leaving the shingle silvery gray, a shade now considered iconic for the exterior of Cape Cod houses. House colors. Many revival homes have a white exterior with black shutters. This classic color combination remains popular, but other colors suit the style as well. Today, a green Cape Cod house or a red Cape Cod house isn't uncommon. House interior, stories. Cape Cod homes can be listed as 1 story or 1.5 stories. The half-story references the attic, which was traditionally used for storage but is now often used for extra bedrooms. House staircase. Historical capes feature a steep and narrow staircase called a captain's staircase. These steps lead to the second level right when you walk in the door. House layout. Traditional Cape Cod homes have a symmetrical interior centered around a living space. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.